Guys, I'm showing you this waterproof recliner chair cover. It's a non-slip reclining cover for reclining chair, washable chair set cover. So you can see this comes in a really nice packing. This is soft material and waterproof, and from there you can see small this rubber grip, so that is on the recliner. These are the hooks on the belt that we need to fix in the back. So this is how this will comes and show up. This is the installation guide that you can see. So let's do it. So I'm just putting in the corner this elastic belt, and from the other side this will also come in the hook like this. So once fixed, this will come like that in the back. So you can adjust the length based on this, and after putting it, the covers look like this. So this is a very nice fit. This is a 23-inch cover. It goes in the corner very well. Soft material, the grip is there. There is a side pocket that you can put remote or books or anything you want to. This is the second cover that I'm trying to put because I bought two covers. So this is the set. So this comes in a one-piece packing. So you have to buy each piece separately. So these are the side belt that goes in the back from the side. So these are again the accessory kit for this particular piece, and this is the elastic belt that goes. So I'm just adjusting it and I'm putting it here. So once this is all set, you can see that it fits in the back like this. So the both covers fits really well, and this is how it looks. So covering the whole leg side, the back side, and the sides, the armrest. So basically it's a very nice material, waterproof, fits well in the back, supplied with these belts. And then this is the perforated, and the back you can see this can hook it like that. So very nice, decent protective covers for recliners.